quick thing before the video starts. It's not really that much PvP due to not many people being on. Sorry for that. And hopefully next one will be another PvP. Hope you guys do enjoy. Oh, Bob. Gay bitch.
We need to make a brewing room, so that's what I'm
Yeah, we really do. Guys, before I cut into this, I'm gonna do a time lapse of this. Us just making either an auto brewer room or just like auto brewers. Hope you guys enjoy this time lapse. There's pots in this chest. Yeah, that chest.
only a bit of potations, but anyways, hey.
Why would you do all of them? Clear lag! Clear lag! Clear lag! Clear lag!
Get all the potations! Oh, frick, man! Oh, frick me! Alright, we got all the pots secured, bro.
Oh my gosh! I swear, yo! Oh my god! We have to put it everywhere. I swear, yo! Yo! You almost gave me a heart attack.
Man, we got pots now, though.
But they're everywhere.
Hey, bro, that was just the bit of my G-Kits, bro. I think I still got more.
Oh, I'm lightheaded. Oh my gosh. I have one in this pot left. Let me just pot it in just because I have one more pot. I'm lightheaded because of that now. I don't have fire res, but let's go. We should go try and cap end.
Oh, okay.
And after this, the max is a 2-man, so.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, I'm coming.
I'm in end.
I'm coming.
Bro, we can easily get this cap, too, because this server's freaking dead.
Yeah. Well, so do you want to cap? Do you want to cap or should I cap?
Yes, I want to cap this time.
But last time I capped the OT.
Someone's in end! Someone's in end!
I'm coming. I'm potting up.
Oh my god, this
Don't get knocked in the end. Don't get knocked out.
Let's go! You want a good boy? You want a good boy?
I'm gonna block him. Yo, he's coming back to you. I'm blocking end.
This man ain't coming.
Right there. Oh, there's 2 people.
Here, come to cap.
I'm coming. Both of them are coming. He's pre-proling at you. Don't be careful. Just he's pre-proling. Watch.
Don't get knocked, man. Don't get knocked, man. Don't get knocked, man. Yo, we should ally them.
I'm getting 2v1, bro. Are they a 2-team or are they choosing?
2 team. Wait, team.
Ally them then.
Stop hitting me, gay boy. Ah!
Okay, just leave.
Yeah, honestly, bro. Dude, are you freaking kidding? Are you joking me?
Just leave.
What the heck?
Are you fucking kidding me?
This server is so autistic. I'm spamming. Why the frick am I out here?
So that's F home. I'm running back in. No, never mind.
Ah!
Come back in. YOLO, ready? Wish me luck. I have my knockback, so.
Well, at least he didn't get any of my crap. Just stay. Where's all the speed potions?
I'm not going there. Fuck no.
Do we even need
Yo, should I YOLO it?
I'm going through.
If we both die, we go raidable.
I know.
So I'm a YOLO it. Cause I have my knockback, my summer knockback. I can knock him off there. Wait, we can make them raidable. They're 2 DTR.
Oh, well, let's go freaking rape them.
Yo, okay. The only way I could kill him is if I knock them both off with this. Don't go. I'll go. Wait, who takes better knockback, me or you? Who takes more knockback?
Well, you have a pretty doo-doo computer.
No, I don't.
Do you have any food that you can drop me? I have good internet, so I probably would take more knockback.
Oh. Okay, ready, rock.
Take a lot of KB because
I'm YOLOing it. I'm going.
get it. Oh, fake man! Hit him with the knockback. Hit him with the KB, bro. Hit him with the KB, bro.
Got him!
He's up! Get his friend! Get his friend!
Come. Where'd his friend go?
His friend pro.
Go, chase it.
His friend's hiding to his base. Just get on cap.
That's how we do it!
What?
That's how we do it!
Go, kite.
I got 2 keys. I got 2 cough keys.
Oh, one for me, one for you.
Get to base. Oh, well, just get to spawn first. Wait, no, get to base, because if it despawns and spawn, remember.
Oh, yeah, F home.
No, just go through an exit.
Oh, frick, you can't F home.
Yeah.
Uh,
Imagine they were waiting for us right here.
dude, just F home.
Let's go, boys. First, that was hype. Oh!
Did you get the sign too?
Yeah. Let me
Been a sign that said like we capped off.
Okay, guys, so you just saw that, guys. Me F home. We capped cough successfully, but now we got 2 keys, so I'm gonna drop Killings 1 in here so it doesn't despawn and he can open it as well.
Hey boys, Larry Faxon for the win.
Let's get it. And you also, guys, you also saw that. Well, I didn't even need to use my knockback when he tried and he still failed.
Alright guys, we just got the COD key. Larry Faxon for the win, boys. We're taking this map.
Let's go, boys. Okay, guys, so we're coming into spawn right now. We're about to open the cough keys that we had gotten from successfully capturing End. Mind you, if you didn't see the last clip, go back. Well, I don't know how you didn't if you are watching this clip. But yeah, the crates are over there. Let's go. Killings will open his first to see what he gets.
Okay, hold on. Alright guys, so we are now in spawn with our COD keys. Misa, you wanna open them at the same time?
How many? I want to make sure. Okay, let me waste one more pot. Okay, which should be enough. Ready?
3,
2,
2,
1, go.
60. Okay.
Oh, what?
I got some pretty good
I got a cough looting. Cough sharpness.
Nice.
Sharp
I got
3.
2 stacks of gold blocks, a COD helmet and COD leggings, and a COD.
I got 64 end portals and a cough fortune after that. That's pretty much it. So 3 things.
Yeah, we got some pretty good loot. I'm just gonna sell my Val
Yeah, I'm gonna sell these end portals.
gold. Alright, FD all F shit. But yeah, guys, I think we're actually the richest faction online.
Ready for this?
Yeah. So, holy crap.
F full. We are now at 200k. Oh my god.
Ready for this? MLG Pro Boy Gang.
Pros don't fall faster. Oh!
Yes, they do.
Oh my gosh, you saw that? I almost fell and died. That scared the heebie-jeebies out of me.